Are you tired of bank fees that feel like they're hidden in a maze of fine print? Weary-faced, that's a feeling we all know. Today, we're diving into the details of Patriot Bank accounts, specifically looking at two crucial elements: the transparency about fees and the actual user experience of banking with them. Transparency, finding the facts on fees. First up, transparency. Patriot Bank, like all financial institutions, has a responsibility to be clear about their charges. So, how do they stack up? Patriot Bank generally offers a variety of personal checking accounts, each with its own structure. This is where things can get tricky. You'll find options like the Patriot Checking Account or the e-checking account, and while they do publish a comprehensive deposit account agreement and fee schedule, which is a good sign of transparency, you have to actively dig for it. The key to avoiding fees, and the mark of a good account, is often tied to balance requirements or direct deposits. For example, some accounts waive the monthly service fee if you maintain a minimum average daily balance or set up a recurring direct deposit. If you don't meet those specific requirements, those fees can be on the higher side compared to some online-only competitors. Their standard overdraft fee also tends to be slightly higher than the national average. The takeaway here is that the information is available, but it requires some dedicated review of their disclosures to understand the rules for your specific account and to ensure you can waive any monthly maintenance fees. Do your homework on the minimums and transaction limits for the account you choose. Face with monocle. User experience, mobile, digital, and support. Now, let's talk about the day-to-day experience. Patriot Bank operates as a brick-and-mortar bank with physical locations, primarily in Connecticut and New York. This means you get the option of in-person support, which is a huge plus for many people. On the digital side, they offer a mobile banking app for both Apple and Android, allowing you to check balances, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. User reviews for the app are generally positive, citing good functionality and ease of use, with a solid rating of around 4.3 to 4.8 stars. That indicates a reliable digital banking experience for essential tasks. However, one area that frequently comes up is customer support outside of branch hours. Patriot Bank generally lacks 24/7 support or a dedicated live chat option. If you rely heavily on non-traditional banking hours for help, this is something to keep in mind. Overall, the user experience is a mix: strong in-person service and a capable mobile app, but it could be limited if you need support late at night or on weekends, or if you prefer a no-fee structure without any balance requirements. The verdict. So, is a Patriot Bank account right for you? If you value in-person banking, a reliable mobile app, and are comfortable meeting the specific balance or direct deposit requirements to waive monthly fees, Patriot Bank offers a comprehensive service. If you are looking for zero-fee banking with no strings attached, or need 24/7 instant customer service, you might find the fee structure and support options here a little restrictive. Remember, the best bank is the one that fits your financial habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.